today we are heading to Delta Beach. The Delta Beach, also known as the KODI BENGRE beach, is around 18 kilometers from Udupi via the Santhegatti route. In my previous video, I went to photograph a rock along the Suvarna river. This river, along with many others, originate from the Western Ghats and flow into the Arabian Sea at the delta point. So I met up with my friend to visit this amazing place, and we set off around 5:30 in the evening. Not the best time, as you'll see soon. If you're coming from Manipal, you first take a right at Kalsanka. This connects you to the Udupi-Agumbe highway, where you take another right. From this highway you take a left at Santhegatti and then an immediate left into Kumara road. Follow this route and take a right at Ampankatte and then another right at Hude. From here there's no left or right, just go straight till the end to reach the delta point. Unfortunately, however, by the time we reached there, it was almost 6:30. And this is all that I managed to capture. Disappointed with the failure, we headed back. Had some roads along the way, hoping that it'll help us forget about the failure. Then went home, slept, and that was the end of that. Or was it? Of course not. We're photographers, we're filmmakers. We don't give up so easily. Failure is like water for us. We consume it every day, yet we are thirsty for more. So now it's time for day 2. Let's go! So this is the second attempt at capturing the delta point. Let's go. Time to get some drone shots. This is it, the last point of separation between salt water and fresh water, Arabian Sea and the Suvarna River estuary, raging waves against calm waters. Remember I told you about Suvarna River at the start of this video? Well, this is where it joins the Sita River and exits into the sea. Pretty cool, isn't it? Yep. This is the calmer river part of the location where small boats sail, and also the place where all the rivers start to meet the sea. his second attempt at capturing this location, my dad accompanied me. He sat on the rocks capturing sunsets and I wanted to capture him enjoying it. So this is the image I got. I have to say, this is the best capture of the year 2022 so far. Not just because of the location, but also because of my dad in the frame. You see, 20 years ago, Dad used to work at a bank here, nearby this location. Sometimes he used to travel by boat to get here. That's so damn cool. So yeah, I believe that is it for this video. Hope you like the fantastic scenery that Delta Point has to offer. Do like, share, subscribe and watch the other videos in the channel as well. Until next time, see ya.